Time to get in the car, Madge. Time to go now.
Without food.
No more beach.
Time to go home.
No more.
I think I'm going to take it back to the farm. Like the girls.
Come on, Madge.
Come on. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Stay. Stay.
Good girl.
Chips.
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 Food.
Food. We're going to have dinner. So what are we doing?